रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है आपकी। और टॉपिक मैंने बता ही दिया। आज आपको मोबाइल फोन पे आपको बोलना है। मोस्टली प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज होगा इसमें। मॉडल भी यूज कर सकते हैं आप। छोटे छोटे सेंटेंसेस फ्रेम करें माइंड में और बोलें। और जो लोग सुनना चाहें भाई पहले कि भाई पहले हम थोड़ा सुन लें, पर्टिकुलरली B8 वाले, दे फर्स्ट दे कैन लिसन टू द अदर persons who are speaking and then try to speak। कोशिश करें और नाम डालें फटाफट से अपने अपने आप। हरी अब ज्यादा टाइम मत लगाओ, आप रिकॉर्डिंग चालू हो चुकी है आपकी। बोलना क्या है आपको, बस मोबाइल फोन क्या होता है, क्या इसका यूज है, किस किस काम में हम इसको ले सकते हैं। मैसेज भेजने के काम में ले सकते हैं, बहुत सारे ऐप्स होते हैं इसमें। कॉल कर सकते हैं हम, कहीं भी अपनी जेब में इसको रख सकते हैं हम, कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं इसको, है ना। हेलो, यस कम ऑन गति, स्टार्ट करो। आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
Hello everyone, my name is Gati and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes B1. Today's our topic is about mobile. We all know about mobile very well. Mobile is a gift of science and it is like a gadget, and everyone has mobile in present time. Without mobile we can't imagine our life. There are many apps on mobile by which we can send message to each other, and we can increase our knowledge, like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, WhatsApp. There are many messenger apps, and there are some quiz apps also, and we can use dictionary on mobiles, and we can listen songs, we can play games, and uh, in the present time when corona is going on, so then it is possible to take online interactive classes because of mobile, because everyone has not everyone doesn't have laptop or PCs, so but everyone has a mobile, so it is comfort it is a comfort for them to take easily because of mobiles. And we can we can take many we can use many study materials on it. We can see the syllabus of every exam easily. We can read many books which are very expensive in the market. We can read them free in mobiles, so it is very useful. But sometime we can also read by many new teachers on YouTube, which is very good, and but sometime it has side effect also, because uh, because the mobiles weaken the eyes of everyone, because all time the children and the all person using mobile very is using are using mobile very much, too much. That's why their eyes weaken, and some the children ignore their studies because of it. And they sometimes there are many things which we should not see on YouTube, but sometimes the children see them, and they impact bad on themselves, so it is not good. All overall, mobile is a good thing which is very useful for us, and we should use it in a limit, and very well as we can. That's it.
वेरी गुड, नाइस स्पीकिंग, नाइस कंटेंट्स, नाइस फ्लो, एवरीथिंग इज वेल। वेल डन गति, कीप इट अप। शाबाश। नाम डालना शुरू कर दीजिए आप। अभी इस तरीके से काम नहीं चलेगा। मैं, मेरे पास अगर नाम नहीं आया क्लास खत्म कर दूंगा मैं। यस निशा, कम। इतना भी क्या डर रहे हो आप लोग यार? आप तो
सर
ऐसे कर
स्टार्ट।
रहे हो जैसे तो कोई पता नहीं क्या हो गया, कोई मुसीबत आ गई आपके ऊपर। नाम ही नहीं डाल रहे हैं आप लोग। हद हो गई किसी चीज की यार। यस कम ऑन निशा, शुरू करो।
Hello everyone, my name is Nisha. I am a student of Raman Online Interactive Classes from V6. Today I am telling about mobile phone. Present age is the age of science. So science has changed our life because science has given many useful gifts. Mobile phone is one of them.
वेरी गुड।
It is very useful to students because they can get knowledge to of their study, and they can take part in different examination and they can get success. It is very useful to businessmen because they can get information of their business, and it is very useful to women because they can watch the video of cooking, and they can they can they can listen songs, news on it. It is very useful to men and housewives because they can talk each other, and they can pay other types bills. It is very useful to children because they can learn many languages by it, and they can play other types games on it. It is very harmful in from many ways uh, because some children are do not focus on their study when they use of mobile phone. So all parents are very upset by that reason. So we can use in a right way. That's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश।
Thank you, sir.
बहुत कमियां तो होती हैं, आप सुनना जरा वीडियो को तो कुछ कमियां भी पता चल जाएंगे, लेकिन फ्लो बहुत अच्छा है आपका। शाबाश, कीप इट अप, वेरी
Thank you,
गुड।
sir.
यस कम ऑन पायल। पायल आ जाओ, नहीं तो सबसे लास्ट
Yes,
में
sir.
नंबर आएगा फिर। हाँ बोलो।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Payal. Um, I am a student of I am a student of English in Ramban English online classes. Mobile mobile is a very important in our life. Mobile is a very important in our life. Um, it is a gift. It is a gift of science. Many popular mobile apps like YouTube, Google, Play Store, Xender, music, etc. We can listen to song on phone. We can listen to phone. That's it, sir.
ओके, थोड़ा सा ठीक करो।
Yes, sir.
मैंने आपको कहा था कि थोड़ा सा राइटिंग करके सुबह चेक करवाया करो आप मेरे को।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये करना पड़ेगा ना आपको। थोड़ा सा सेल्फ राइटिंग करो और थोड़ा चेक करवाओ, थोड़ा फ्लो आएगा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
यस, अभी जरूरत है आपको। ओके,
Yes,
चलो
sir.
कोई बात नहीं, फिर भी कोशिश आपने करी, बहुत अच्छी बात है। यस करीना आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Karina Nanwani. Today I am telling about the phone. Phone is a gift of science that from which we can communicate with people without any connection of wire. Nowadays, everyone is having a phone on their hand, and I also have a phone. There was a time when people used a phone only for a device to call or send a message. But now there are so many apps in it from where we can do video calls. We can take our online classes and many other
आवाज
things.
गई आपकी?
Now we can talk video call with our friends. Today mobile phone has made our life for daily life activities. We can learn about many things from phone. We can learn about the traffic rules and the science and many other things.
Hmm.
We can also get entertainment from this. We can watch entertainment videos, movies, and we can listen songs in it, and we can manage our business from the phone.
Your audio quality is so poor, Karina.
And the disadvantages of mobile phones are wastage of time, because some children use mobiles all the time. From that, their eyes get weak,
Hmm.
and they play games and all the day.
Hmm.
From that, they get impact on their studies.
Hmm.
Wide usage of mobile phone has weak our mental and physical status. Some people use social media all the times, like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. That's all.
Okay. थोड़ा सा ठीक करो आप, आपकी आधी बातें समझ में आती है एक्चुअली इस ऑडियो क्वालिटी की वजह से, है ना? थोड़ा सा ठीक करो आप इसको.
Yes.
यस, फिर भी ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो आप. यस, कम ऑन स्पर्श.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Ispal Gupta, and I am the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch B1. And today's our topic is mobile phone. Science. Today, our life can get easy by science, and mobile phone is also the invention of science. Mobile is very useful for us. Today everyone has mobile phone. Mobile is very useful for us because we can pay our bill and we can recharge our TV through it. We all know that the lockdown in in early, in earlier time lockdown was going on, and at that time no shops were opened, and at that period we can
इन
recharge
दैट
our
पीरियड.
TV.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं,
in
बोलो.
that
आप थोड़ा आराम से
in
बोलो,
that
लेकिन
period
सही करके बोलो. आप जल्दबाजी में क्या गड़बड़ कर जाते हो.
Yes,
चाहे फ्लो आपका
in
कम हो, लेकिन
that
सेंटेंसेस को प्रॉपर लाओ आप. हाँ.
yes, sir. In that period we can recharge our phone, TV. We can pay our bill through it. We can listen song through it. We can take online classes through it. In this corona period, we can register for COVID vaccination also. We can make photos of PDF through it. We can get information about world. There are so many apps by which we can get information. For example, Google. We can ask a question from Google, and Google answer it easily. We can watch live TV programs, sports channel, etc. through it, and it is very useful for everybody. But there are some side effects of it also, like children play games for long time, and by which their eyes can get weak. And there are some social media sites also, by which children can get bad information and bad side effects also. That's it.
ओके, ठीक है. और कोशिश करो थोड़ी सी, है ना? ग्रामेटिकली
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ. चाहे थोड़ा धीरे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है ना.
Yes, sir.
आराम से, अच्छे से. यस. नाउ दिव्यांशी.
Hello friends, my name is Divyanshi and I am telling about the mobile. Mobile is very useful for us. Mobile is very useful for businessmen. By it, they can meet with everyone. They can meet with everyone with video calling, and they can get information for their business. There are so many apps. We can buy. There are calling system by which we can call to everyone. There are many apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, Facebook, by which we can message to everyone, and we connect ourselves with others. There are albums by which we can store our photos and videos. There are so many apps by which we can improve our knowledge, and there are Paytm by which we can transfer our money. There are YouTube by which we can entertain ourselves, and there is calculator by which we can calculate our mathematics items, and there are so many games by which we can entertain ourselves, but the children's watch it a long time, by which their eyesight maybe become they become weak, and they become lazy. They also play games long time, and they not do their work. They do not do their work, and
They do not do their work.
they do not do their work, and we should not watch a mobile for a long time. That's
ओके, ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो, अच्छा है, वेरी गुड. और ये बॉयज, दिलखुश कैमरा चालू करो अपना, स्पर्श अपना कैमरा चालू करो. यस, कम ऑन तमन्ना.
Hello everyone, my name is Tamanna Meena. Today I am going to tell about mobile phone. As we all know, science has given many things. Mobile phone is one of them. It is very useful. There are many useful apps in it, like YouTube. With the help of YouTube, we can watch our study videos. We can entertain ourselves. It is very useful for women, because women can watch their cooking videos, any programs. With the help of mobile phone, we can contact with people who is present in anywhere. With the help of it, we can send message
To anybody.
There are many games in it. It has many useful apps like Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, etc. It gives us latest news of the world. As we all know, in present time, school, college are closed. So our study, so children cannot do their study, but because of mobile phone, we can do our study continue from the online classes. it has also many side effects because if we using the much use of it, our eyesights may be become weak.
may
Many
become या
people
may
say
be,
it is
दोनों को यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. बोलो, थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. हाँ,
many people say it is unuseful thing for children, but in my opinion it is useful. It is depend on ourselves. If we use in correct way, it is very useful. So I have a suggestion, we should use it in correct way. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. क्लास छोड़ के कोई भी नहीं जाएगा आज, ध्यान रखना, पिछली बार की तरह. अच्छी बात नहीं होती है ना. हाँ, कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. एक भी मेरे को एक का ध्यान है. मैं लास्ट में अटेंडेंस लूंगा, ये ध्यान रखना. और बीच में भी ले सकता हूं मैं. कोई भी नहीं जाएगा क्लास छोड़ के, एक जना भी. अच्छे से समझ लेना इस बात को, एक जना भी नहीं जाएगा क्लास छोड़ के. मैं बीच में भी अटेंडेंस ले सकता हूँ और लास्ट में तो मैं लूंगा ही लूंगा. सिमरन कहाँ है? सिमरन, ओके, कोई बात नहीं है. यस, दृश्य आओ.
Hello everyone, I am Drashya Agrawal. Today I am going to tell you about mobile. As we all know that mobile is an essential part of our life. Science has given us many gifts and mobile is one of them. There are many advantages and there are some disadvantages of phone. The advantages of phone are we can listen music, we can get news, we can also talk to anyone by mobile. If at home, by home, we don't have to go to anyone's home to talk to him. We can listen music, songs, we can watch entertainment, we can watch movies also. There are some disadvantages of mobile, like the children's play games now these days. The advantages are some more, like now these days lockdown is going on, so the schools are closed, but now these days schools have started online classes.
Yes.
Which don't run without mobile. If there is no mobile, so we can't attend our online classes and coaching, etc. The disadvantages of the mobile are we like the children's, like there are some games, we can download some games and entertain ourselves, but now these days children's play games very
चिल्ड्रंस
much.
नहीं होता है ये कभी भी.
Children play game very much, by which their eyesights get weak. That's it.
ओके, ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर रहे हो, शाबाश.
Thank you, sir.
कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे ही, प्रैक्टिस की चीज है टोटली. यस, प्रियंका, कम.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. Myself Priyanka Sharma. Today I want to tell you about mobile phone. Mobile phone is a gift of science. Now in the present time, it is so important for us. By help of it, we can do many works. Today, with the help of mobile phone, we can easily talk and video call with anyone. Mobile phones are very advantageous. They also do the work of the computer, calculator, and cameras. Mobile phones are also important because they allow you to store data. There are many apps in mobile phone like WhatsApp, Google, Insta, Chrome, YouTube, etc. Mobile phone increase our knowledge, and we can take online classes easily by it. So it is so important for us. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत छोटा बोला. मोबाइल पे तो बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं अपन. वी कैन हैव अ लॉट अबाउट मोबाइल.
Yes, sir.
ऑलवेज ट्राई टू स्पीक एज मच एज यू कैन. ओके,
Okay, sir.
कोशिश किया करो आप थोड़ा सा, है ना.
Yes,
कोशिश
sir.
आप कर रहे हो, और थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ाओ अपनी बोलने की. चलो,
Yes, sir.
कोई बात नहीं. यस, प्रेरणा.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Hello everyone, my name is Prerna Jarwal. Today I am going to tell about mobile phone. Mobile phone is very useful for us, and in the corona time, mobile phone is a very useful for the children, because by the mobile phone, children are taking online class, and children are taking online class, and it helps student their study, their study. And mobile phone is a mean of entertainment for the people, by which we can get an information here and there, and we can see our things, favorite things like movie, serials, etc. And and there are many apps in the mobile phone, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. By these app, we can share our talks in the social media, and 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 it and it is very it is harmful for the children, because by the mobile phone, our eyes get weak, and our eyes get weak, and children should see mobile phone in the limit, because children
सी
सर
की
बीच
जगह
में
आप
मेरे को क्या
यूज
बोला?
करो. सी की जगह आप ना यूज को यूज करो. चिल्ड्रन कैन, क्या क्या यूज किया था आपने अभी? चिल्ड्रन शुड सी थोड़ी होता है, यूज होता है.
ओके सर.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखो बेटा. आगे बोलो. अच्छा बोल रहे हो, और कोशिश करो. आगे बोलो.
एंड सर इसकी वजह से बच्चे बिगड़ जाते हैं, तो उसमें बिगड़ने के लिए क्या use
बिकॉज
करेंगे?
ऑफ इट चिल्ड्रन आर स्पॉइल्ड.
Because of it, children are spoiled, and in this way we can use mobile phone. That's it.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, कोशिश करते रहो, है ना. थोड़ा सा सुनना जरूर, सुना करो जरा. आपने क्या बोला है, आपको अपने आप पता लगने लगेगा कि अपन क्या गलतियां बोल रहे हैं, क्या गलतियां अपन कर रहे हैं बोलते समय. आप try to listen it again and again, so that you can know about your mistakes, what you are making at the time of speaking, and it is very necessary to know about our mistakes, so that we can remove those mistakes next time. Okay. Yes, come on.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti Narwal, and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today I am here to speak about mobile phone. And science has given us many instruments, and mobile phone is one of them. You all know very well that mobile phone is necessary part in our life. Without mobile phone we can't imagine our life, because when we wake up in the morning, we start our mobile phone, and our morning is with mobile, because we send good morning message to all, and after it there are more apps on mobile phone, like Google, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook, YouTube.
Even we don't know how many lessons are there in our book, but we know how many apps are there in our mobile phone. Very good. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And etc. And by the help of these apps, we can get information, and we can increase our knowledge, like YouTube, like YouTube, many ladies and women watch their programs like according their interest. Like they watch cooking program and dancing program, and like kids, they watch they watch they watch Doraemon, क्या कह सकते हैं, मोटू पतलू, और Ninja Hattori, and etc. And they watch also Angels program and others story on mobile phone. And we can talk about girls. They watch dancing program and entertaining program on mobile phone.
Is there any educational program on mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
Because you have
As
not spoken
and
even a single word about regarding study or education. Yes.
yes. And we can talk about students. They watch educational programs on it, and they watch news and other materials of education on mobile phone. And Google is very important for knowledge, because if we search any question, and if we ask any question by from the Google, then it replied very fast and right, and we can everything get it by the help of Google. And mobile phone is very important device in present time, because in the corona time all students take their class by the help of mobile phone, and many businessmen also do their work by the help of mobile phone. And all banks are also do their work by the help of mobile. And nowadays a person can manage their account by the help of mobile, because if you have no money in your pocket, then you can use your phone pay and Paytm and etc. and any
Very
other
good.
apps of mobile and bank. And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने. एक मिनट, तो बहुत अच्छा बोला तुमने, और कंटेंट्स भी काफी अच्छे थे तुम्हारे, फ्लो काफी अच्छा आ रहा है, और बिल्कुल सही बोला तुमने आज मोबाइल के बारे में. हैं? बहुत अच्छा बोला, वेरी गुड, शाबाश.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, और नाउ सोनम.
Yes, sir. Hello, everybody. I am Sonam Meena. Today I am talking about mobile phone. As you all know that mobile.
As you all
as
know,
you all,
as
you all know that nowadays almost everyone has a phone by which they have provided many facilities. Mobile phone is very useful for us. There are many types app in mobile phone, like YouTube, Telegram, WhatsApp, Instagram, Google. Hereby we can study properly, by which we can talk anywhere, anybody. There are many types use of mobile phone. Through this we can study. Hereby we can purchase clothes and any other things. Hereby we can send message. Through this we can order food and any other things. We can use dictionary in mobile phone. Hereby we can click our pictures and videos, by which we can enjoy. Hereby we can talk on video calling. Hereby we can make PDF and we can vaccination register. Nowadays mobile phone has become very valuable. Hereby we can secure our money. How?
पता है, ये बार बार जो आप again and again you are using hereby, this is not good. You can replace it by any other phrase or word. Okay,
sir.
By it, by through it, with the help of it, again and again.
Yes,
again and again you are using this phrase. This is not, this doesn't sound
Okay,
good. So please.
Okay, sir.
Yes, okay.
With the help of it, we can secure our money. However, there are many types disadvantage of mobile phone, but mobile phone is very useful to us. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा. एक्चुअली लैंग्वेज में क्या माना जाता है, हमारे पास में कुछ ऐसे फ्रेजेस होने चाहिए, कुछ हमारे पास में ऐसे वर्ड्स होने चाहिए, सिमिलरली वी कैन यूज देम.
Yes,
Using
sir.
again and again the same word or in every sentence the same phrase, it doesn't sound good. So we all should always try to use different words for the same situation. That is why you need to improve, you all need to improve your vocabulary part of the language. Okay? Yes, very good. फिर भी बहुत अच्छा है, आपने कोशिश की है, शाबाश. प्रिया आ जाओ.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and today I am telling about the mobile phone. Present age is the age of science. Science has provided us many useful things.
Provided. प्रिया, mind the tense of the sentence. नहीं तो ये गलतियां हमेशा करते रहेंगे आप, है ना? हाँ, बहुत आगे जाना है अभी. Yes.
Science has provided us many useful things and mobile phone is the great wonder of science.
ऐसे बोलो, आप धीरे धीरे बोलो, कोई बात नहीं है, पर करेक्टनेस आनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी. Yes.
In present time, every persons have a mobile phone. They are using it.
They
day by
use it.
day.
हाँ,
Yes,
बोलो
sir.
बोलो, आप, कोई बात नहीं.
They use it in day by day, and its use is increasing day by day. I think mobile phone. I think it's. I think it. There are its disadvantage and advantage of the mobile phone. If we talk about on its advantage,
एडवांटेजेस प्लूरल फॉर्म में लीजिए आप उसको. हाँ.
so we can talk to someone and students can take their classes and businessmen can take their meeting and can handle their jobs. There are many useful apps in the mobile phone like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, etc. By these apps, we can send message to someone. If we talk about of its advantages, so it's some students use it in wrong things. By which सर ध्यान नहीं देते.
They do not care.
They do not care on their study. And in a small age their eyes are became less.
Their eyes weaken.
Yes.
हाँ.
And they have to wear glasses. So it is my advice that we should use it in good things. That's it, sir.
ठीक है, अच्छा बोला आपने, पर कम बोला आपने. क्यों? थॉट्स नहीं आते? नहीं, कोशिश करो आप थोड़ा सा. अभी देखो, अभी आप बाकी लोगों को सुन रहे हो, आप कंजूसी करोगे बोलने में तो कैसे काम चलेगा? हम लोग प्रैक्टिस ही तो कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, है? टॉपिक भी ऐसा है कि जिसके बारे में अपन कितना भी बोल सकते हैं. तो आप कोशिश करो थोड़ी सी, ऐसे नहीं एकदम चलो ठीक है यार अब बोलना ही है तो बोल बाल के डंडा खत्म करो, ऐसे नहीं, है ना? अभी देखो, आप ज्योति ने, गति ने, आपकी जो आपके साथ पढ़ती है निशा, देखो कितना, मतलब आप कोशिश करो. अभी कोई टाइम लिमिट तो हम दे ही नहीं रहे आपके लिए, तो आप कोशिश करो ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलने की, है ना? हाँ, ऐसे नहीं, कोशिश करोगे तब होगा. अब यूं तो फॉर्मेलिटी वाली बात है तो फिर वो तो उतना सही रहेगा. देखिए अपने पास क्लियर होगी ना बात आपको? बाकी अच्छा बोल रहे हो, सेंटेंसेस अच्छे बन रहे हैं, सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है, पर कंटेंट्स भी तो आने चाहिए ना. जितना ज्यादा आप वीक में, अपन एक दिन ही तो ये प्रोग्राम रखते हैं, तो उसमें तो कम से कम थोड़ा सा कोशिश किया करो आप, है ना। बाकी ठीक है, आपका कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बस केवल कंटेंट्स कम है आपके। अब वो क्यों है, वो नेक्स्ट टाइम आप उनको ठीक करने की कोशिश करें। यस दिलखुश, आपको भी मैं बता दूं, आपके स्टार्ट करने से पहले आप भी एकदम से फटाफट से फ्री होना चाहते हो, ऐसा नहीं है। ज्यादा से ज्यादा बोलने की कोशिश करो आप। क्या है, केवल फॉर्मेलिटीज में कुछ नहीं रखा है भैया, आप अच्छे से करोगे अपने काम को तो अच्छा आपको रिजल्ट भी मिलेगा। यस, स्टार्ट करो।
Hello friends, my name is Dilkush Mina. Today I am telling about mobile phone. Mobile phone is a gift of science. Mobile phone is an electronic device. It is very useful for us. We can talk anywhere with each other by mobile phone. We can listen news by many mobile phone apps. Children are helped by many mobile phone apps like Unacademy, Baidu classes, Vedantu, etc.
शाबाश।
we, we can send messages by it. We can take online classes by mobile phone. We can play games through mobile phone like PUBG, Free Fire, etc. We can pay any bills like electricity bill, water bill, etc. We can do online shopping by mobile phone, by many mobile phone apps. So it is very important for us, but it is very harmful for us because there are many bad things on mobile phone. Children use mobile phone for long time so that their eyes become weak. But mobile phone has become the part of our life,
शाबाश। हाँ,
so that we can't live without mobile phone. But we should mobile phone in very good way and a short time. That's all.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। कोशिश करोगे ना तो अपने ही काम आएगा लाइफ में, अपने लिए तो बेनिफिशियल है ना ये। मतलब मेन तो इसका यही रोल है एक लैंग्वेज का, कि हम उसको अच्छे से बोल सकें। वी कैन राइट इट प्रॉपरली, वी कैन स्पीक इट प्रॉपरली, एट द टाइम ऑफ लिसनिंग वी कैन लिसन एंड अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपरली। ठीक है ना। बाकी ग्रामर वगैरह जो भी अपन सीखते हैं वो तो केवल पर्पस तो यही है, चार इसके पर्पस होते हैं लैंग्वेज के। सो एज मच एज यू ट्राई यू विल इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ, डेफिनेटली, देयर इज नो डाउट इन इट। यस, कम ऑन सुहानी, नहीं सॉरी अंजलि।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Anjali Meena. Today's my topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important for us. Science has given many things. Mobile phone is one of them. There are many apps in mobile phone like YouTube, Google, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Nowadays, mobile phone are used also for SMS, internet, playing video, sending emails, voice call and video call, etc. We can also study with mobile phone. We can also do online shopping. Online shopping from mobile phone. Mobile phone is entertainment for us.
एंटरटेनमेंट सोर्स फॉर अस। हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोलो।
Mobile phone keep us connected now we can connected our friends and relative at any time. We can watch movie and video
शाबाश,
in
कोशिश
mobile
करो।
phone,
हाँ हाँ, कोशिश करो, कोई बात नहीं।
etc. We can take on mobile phone. We can talk on mobile phone. mobile phone is very important for us. That's it.
ओके, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है आपने, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट है तुम्हारे अंदर। बस
Thank you.
ऑनेस्टली अपना करते रहो आप। देखो टाइम तो लगता है लैंग्वेज को सीखने में, आप खुद इस बात को रियलाइज कर सकते हो, है ना। प्रैक्टिस का मैटर है, फिर भी बहुत कुछ आप लोग करने लग रहे हैं, नो डाउट। यस, कम ऑन सुहानी।
Hello everyone, my name is Suhani and today I tell you about mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important for us. It is very useful for us because it has many apps like phone calls, WhatsApp and WhatsApp tools, etc.
एटसेट्रा,
It
एटसेट्राज, एटसेट्राज,
etc.
हाँ,
It has social media apps also
वेरी गुड।
like
देखो ये बिल्कुल नई बच्ची है B8 की। यस,
like like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, etc.
शाबाश,
etc.
हाँ,
It has games also
वेरी गुड।
like for children like piano tiles, Ludo, Carom, etc. It has Google for it has Google for inquiries or knowledge. It has many facilities in mobile phone.
यस,
We can purchase many things in mobile
बाय मोबाइल,
by
बाय
mobile
यूजिंग मोबाइल। यस,
by using mobile. It is very useful for us because it increases our general knowledge.
इट इंक्रीजेस,
It increases our general knowledge. It has YouTube also for ladies. Ladies can watch new recipes in Google for cook tasty food. It has many hacks like 500 crafts and 1 2 3 go. It is using for us. This time everyone have their own phone.
has, everyone has, हाँ,
This time everyone has their own phone.
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, हाँ,
This time present time still coronavirus. So students can online on their online classes in phone.
can take,
Can take online classes in phone.
yes,
They join new coachings like Byju's, Topper, etc. It has many apps for children enjoyment. We can learn very many of languages in phone. It has lots of apps.
yes,
We can use WhatsApp for connecting with friends and
relatives,
for relatives. That's all, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला बेटा। Because you are a new student, you have not reached at this level. However, your efforts are praiseworthy. Very good. Keep it up, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Yes, come on. Neha.
Yes, sir. Hello, friends. I am Neha Sharma, and I am the student of Ramban Live Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is mobile phone. We all know that mobile phone is useful gift of science. It is used in communication. It has many apps. It has many apps. For example,
you can use like, for example, at the place of, for example, you can use like. Many apps like
it has a good search engine, Google. Google in which the whole information of
ये whole नहीं,
world
whole
the whole information of world
is available.
is available. We can learn new language. Andy is a learning English app, which chats us in English. And we can store our pictures, documents, videos in mobile. We can play video games, and there are many live classes available on YouTube. Available on YouTube, where students studies. It has many e-commerce shopping websites.
Yes.
By which we do shopping. We can do shopping. It has many, but it has many negative effect. It increases our negativity. It is causes of accident. It is cause of accidents, health problems, etc. Students cannot focus in their studies. So at last I will say that the limited use of mobile phone is
Mobile phone है, हाँ, okay. There is very limited use of mobile phone, और mobile has very limited use.
Okay, sir.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी है आपने, बस कोशिश करते रहिए, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. And now I'm calling Preeti. Yes, come on, Preeti.
Good evening, all of you. This is Preeti Agrawal before you to tell about mobile phone. So, mobile phone is the most important gadget now these days, because earlier we had only keypad mobiles which were used only for communication and talking to each other. But now it has taken place of many gadgets like calculator, compass, and clock, watch also. Because earlier people wore the watch, but now there is no requirement to wear the watch, because everybody has a mobile phone in their hands. And now there is no need of calculator, because with the help of calculator we can do many calculation on our mobile phone. And mobile phone is very useful in many ways, because it has made our life very easy. Our day starts with mobile phone, and it also with it only.
Yes.
As we get up, then we check our mobile phone to see any message, and if there is message, and we send good morning wishes to each other. So mobile is doing the work to connecting the people, and we can do a lot of work with the help of mobile, as we can do shopping on it. So there is no need to go outside if you want to buy anything. Many apps from which we can buy the things, and there is no need to go outside for shopping, and we can do the payment also from the phone only.
Yes.
And now, as before 1 month there was corona and lockdown. Banks were closed, so people had a problem to withdraw the money. So they had no need to go the bank, because with the help of mobile they can withdraw their money. They could withdraw their money with the mobile, and if their friend or relative is in need, so they could send the money with the mobile.
Yes.
And so this way mobile has made our life very easy. And if we want to go anywhere, we know the address, but we don't know how to reach there, so we can set the map there on mobile, and it will help us to reach there easily.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा.
And if there is any question in our brain to related our history and our religions, so we can search it on Google, and it will immediately help us to get the answer, and it will resolve our problem.
Very good.
And we can entertainment
We can entertain ourselves.
Sorry sir.
कोई
We
बात
can
नहीं. हाँ.
as and it has taken the place of television also. We can't take the television with us and while we are traveling, so we can watch, we can entertain us with the help of the mobile phone. While we are traveling, we can watch movies, we can play games, and which are not possible without the mobile phone. Because at the home we can use the TV and music systems in place of mobile phone, as we are at home. But if we are not at home, so we can use only mobile phone to entertain ourselves. So it has become an essential part of our life. And now these days we are taking online classes, and many of the students, those who are taking online classes and coachings, it is only possible because of mobile phone, because all the children don't have PCs at their houses, and parents can't afford them. But mobile phones are available in very reasonable prices, so people can purchase them easily. So it has made very reasonable and very easier our life. And there are many advantages, but there are some disadvantages of mobile phone, as because people are using it for a lot time. They don't care for the time, and they watch movies and cartoons. Children play games for a long time, which harms their eyes, and their eyesight can be weak. So they should use it in a limited time. People use it for the entertainment, because there are many apps because there are many apps. By them we can watch movies and the serials which we watch on the TV. They are possible to watch on mobile phones also. That's it sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. कंटेंट्स भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, काफी अच्छा बोला आपने. बस प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए आप, है ना? ओके. यस, कम ऑन कोहिनूर.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone. My name is Kunu, and I'm the student of Raman English online interactive classes from batch B8. And today our topic is mobile phone. Present age is the age of science, and science has given us many useful things for us, and mobile phone is one of them. Mobile phone is a very necessary part in our life. And there are many types of apps on mobile phones, like YouTube. By this app we can entertain ourselves, and we can read so many things, and we can see videos, and for the moments we can also see the serials, and there are many types of other apps on mobile, like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and etc. And we can listen music and news, and watch movies and on mobile phone. It is useful, and it is like a window. It is like a window, and we can see the latest news of the world on the mobile phone. And there are many types of educational channels on mobile phone. We can download from these channels for from the Play Store and many other apps. And now present time corona is going on. All the students take online classes from the mobile phone
by using mobile phone.
And there are many types of news channels, and we can see the latest news on YouTube, and there are many types of news channels on YouTube. By these channels we can increase our general knowledge. There are many types of disadvantage of mobile phone. There are many types of there are many if we use more and more, our eyesight become maybe weak. If we use mobile phone more and more, our eyesight become maybe weak.
May become weak.
May become weak. And according to my opinion, we should only start the mobile phone when we have work from mobile phone. We can play games on mobile, and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा बोला, शाबाश शाबाश। ऐसे एकदम से खत्म मत किया करो, थोड़ा सा है ना, पर फिर भी बहुत अच्छा बोला आपने, वेरी गुड। यस, कम ऑन विनय मैडम। विनय मैडम।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about something, mobile phone. As we know, mobile phone is the essential part of our life, and it made our life so easier. And our day start with mobile and end with mobile. And we can do lots of things by the help of mobile. And if we want to go somewhere, in earlier time we had to go to a railway station, then we get a reservation. But now there is no need to go to railway station. We can do this thing by the help of mobile. And when mobile came, it is only the means of communication. But now we have a smartphones, and it has lots of qualities, lots of apps in it, and with them we can see lots of things, and we can do lots of things. If we don't want to go outside and buy purchase something, we can do by the online purchasing. And if someone go outside, and if we go outside and we have a phone, means we have everything. And we don't have a phone, it means we don't have. Actually, it to help us in all सारी चीजों में, मतलब सभी चीजों में हमारी हेल्प करता है.
It helps
everything.
us always.
It helps us in all
everything.
Everything's. And when I was in 10th class, that time I heard that we sometime after we got a mobile, not only we talk with by it, we can see the person. And to whom we talk, how to say sir, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं,
whom we are talking, we can see also that person. And it is possible now. And there is a lots of channels like YouTube. YouTube is if you don't know anything, you can search on it, and you can do whether it is kitchen work, whether it is art and craft work, whether it is study material, whether it is other things. You can, if you don't want to ride scooty, you can search it. There is lots of video to tell you how to ride scooty also. And if you want to, and if anything which is you don't know, and but there is a very harm thing. If we use mobile in sleeping time, when we are going to sleep, it has a one kind of light, in blue light. If we see it, it is increase our eyes. We have some part of our eyes, it is increased that time. And
and then we sleep. We take lots of time to get our sleep, and that's why people says that if you want to see that time, you have to read some book, not to see mobile. And too much usage of mobile weaken your eyes, and there is some bad bad thing on it, which spoil the children's, and they can receive that thing in very earlier age, which is very much harmful for them. And it is made our life very much easier, and that's it.
ओके, वेरी गुड, अच्छा है। थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस रखें,
यस सर,
घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी,
ओके ओके,
है ना। बाकी ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, भी तो आ जाएगा। अभी तो आपको टाइम भी कितना सा हुआ है ना। इट हैज बीन ओनली 1 month,
यस सर,
सो नो प्रॉब्लम, बहुत अच्छा है, बस कोई बात नहीं, है ना। यस पिंकी।
Jai all of you. My name is Pinky Olia. I am student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today my topic mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important in our life. There are many programs in the phone like Google, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. I listen to news in the phone. I can speak English.
मैसेज भेज सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, वीडियो सेंड कर सकते हैं। बोलो, हो गया, कोई बात नहीं, ओके, घबराओ मत, बिल्कुल ठीक है, कोशिश की आपने, बहुत अच्छी बात है। यस, कम ऑन आस्था।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Astha from Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I tell you about mobile. Mobile is a science thing. With mobile, we communicate with each other.
आवाज ठीक नहीं आ रही है आपकी, क्या बात है? ईयरफोन लगाया करो आप एक तो, और माइक को पास रखा करो। रेडी रहा करो बिल्कुल आप। हाँ,
With mobile, we do communication from others.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी बिल्कुल क्लियर, बहुत दबी हुई सी आवाज आ रही है आपकी, क्या बात है? ईयरफोन नहीं लगा रखा आपने एक तो। मैं बार बार आप लोगों से कहता हूं कि आप अपना ईयरफोन लगा के बात किया करो, क्योंकि फोन आपसे दूर रहता है। अब आ रही है तो बेटा लगा के रखा करो ना आप इसको।
Yes, sir.
फोन दूर रहता है अपने से, कैसे प्रॉपर आवाज आएगी? फोन तो फोन ही है ना बेचारा। हाँ बोलो।
With mobile, we do communication from others. We study from mobile to learn many things.
From नहीं, by mobile या with mobile। हाँ, by लगा लो आप, by mobile। हाँ हाँ बोलो।
We all take classes from it.
By it, बेटा मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, by it।
There are many apps in it. Like WhatsApp, phone manager, calculator, etc. We send message from WhatsApp. In calculator, we solve our sums of maths. And in phone manager, we call from others. There is a Google app also. On that we search many things.
Yes.
Our doubts to clear.
We clear our doubts. Yes.
There is also app in which there are many apps. There is a Play Store in it. There are apps of games, music, and education apps in it. Sir, that's it.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करते रहो बेटा, शाबाश. यस, कम ऑन वंश.
Hello friends, I am telling about mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important. Mobile phone is very important for our life. There are many apps in mobile phone like YouTube, Google, browser, Facebook, WhatsApp.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा. बोल बेटा.
It is so useful for students. It is so useful for students. Many students take online classes by it. So I think
Mobile is very useful
mobile is very useful
for
That's
students.
it.
हाँ, हो गया.
Okay sir.
कोई
Yes
बात
sir.
कोई बात नहीं, कोशिश किया करो बेटा, है ना.
Okay
यस,
sir.
ओके.
Yes sir.
अशफाक.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Ashfaq Khan. I am from B.Ed. Today I am telling you about mobile phone. Mobile phone is very important for us. We can watch many types of videos, news, etc. Phone is very important for students at this time. With this, students can take online classes. Phone also have very important apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Mobile phone is very necessary part in our life. Through this, we can transfer our money.
यस, बहुत अच्छा, शाबाश. ड्यू दिस नहीं, बाय इट. कोई बात नहीं है, बोलो, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हो, वेरी गुड.
We can talk to other about it.
Other नहीं, others.
Other about it. We can play a lot of game on this. We can send message from phone.
By phone.
By phone. That's it, sir.
बस, पर बहुत अच्छा, कोशिश किया करो.
Okay, sir.
और कोई है क्या? मोना
Yes, sir.
बोलेगी? मोना?
No, sir.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था सब लोगों का. वेल डन.